Hi, I'm Robin. I'm thrilled to share something we have been working on. At AgentX, we have been reimagining how autonomous AI can work, not just individually, but together as a team. We're launching AgentX, a multi-agent platform that allows you to build, deploy, and orchestrating agents that collaborates like a human. AgentX is designed to unlock the full potential of collaborative AI. This isn't just about creating smarter agents. It's about enabling AI workforces that can think, act, and delegate together. Today, I will show you a couple examples, and you will see how easy it is to build multiple AI agents and put them together as a workforce. Let's get into it. Once you logged in, navigate to Agent Workforce and create a new team. You can create individual agents separately, and each agent can be tuned to handle specific duties. For this demo, I will use 4 agents that I created beforehand, each responsible for different travel planning tasks, and add them to the workforce. Now you can make one of them as a team leader, whose job is to manage and coordinate tasks. Let's give a name to the team. Let's call it Travel Agency. You may also write delegate instructions to guide task assignments for specific agents, or leave it blank to let the team leader decide. After that, click Save. Now your multi-agent workforce is successfully built, with each agent powered by a different large language model, GPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grok. They can collaborate within the same team. Let's go ahead and see it in action. Let's start with the travel agency team we just built. In this example, I will ask it to plan my upcoming trip to Tokyo, and then have it create a detailed itinerary in a spreadsheet file and share it to my Google Drive. Since the workforce consists of 4 agents, the team leader will be responsible for coordinating the tasks to fulfill my request. AgentX equips each agent with chain-of-thought reasoning, making the thinking process transparent to builders so you can see exactly what your agents are thinking and doing. AgentX provides access to thousands of MCP servers and tools at agents' disposal. After the team's collective efforts, we can see the agent has automatically leveraged the search engine and Google Maps MCP, and then use Excel generator to generate the spreadsheet file. I will now ask the agent to share the file with my Google Drive on Gmail. Here is the itinerary, including activities for each day and the cost breakdown. In the next example, I'll demonstrate how the same method can be used to create advanced research agents capable of generating detailed reports. We will assemble a team of AI experts to perform investment research, including a lead agent powered by GPT, a macroeconomic expert using Gemini, a sector analyst powered by Grok, a company researcher with Llama, and a risk analyst with Anthropic Claude. We will ask them to generate a report on Tesla stock. Now let's see how agents, each with a different model, orchestrates together. AgentX Workforce empowers AI agents with intelligent routing capabilities. Instead of following rigid, rule-based workflows, our agents autonomously determine the most effective strategy by leveraging tools, delegating tasks, and executing actions to fulfill requests with maximum efficiency. What you have seen is just the tip of the iceberg of what AgentX can do. The true potential is waiting for you to unlock. We're inviting everyone to go beyond being just users, become builders. AgentX is committed to providing seamless agent-to-agent communication, so your creation can collaborate, share, and evolve together. The Internet of AI agents is on the horizon, and we can't wait to see what you will build with AgentX.